Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about desires. Is it okay to have desires? Desires to make more money, to attract more abundance, wealth, and so on, especially if you're spiritual and you are kind of trying to build that life of your dream. But on the other hand, you feel guilty because you actually want to call in this abundance. But on the other hand, you don't want to struggle because eventually, at the end of the day, we still live in 3D reality. Stick around. Coming up. All right, guys, welcome. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and let's talk about today's cool topic. In my opinion, is it okay to desire more wealth, more abundance, more prosperity, especially if you're spiritual? Maybe you're a spiritual entrepreneur, maybe you're a spiritual coach, consultant, but the bottom line is that you feel guilty to actually wanting to manifest more money or more prosperity or abundance or wealth. And something I want to clear here is this: your desires are valid. Whatever your desire is there for a reason. And I like to think the reason is to actually execute that desire. The reason is to actually trust your desire and really let that calling guiding you. And this might be a little bit of paradox here, what I'm sharing, because I remember when I did Vipassana silence retreat, which is, by the way, the Buddhist practice of meditation. I remember that during that retreat, the idea was to detach. The idea was to accept everything as is. And really, even in the Buddhist teaching, the desires itself are not necessarily positive. Desires are considered negative because the more desires you have, the more you are actually wanting something that it's not present in your reality, and then you are suffering. And in other words, the desire is creating suffering. Well, I would like to disagree. Desire is opportunity to expand your life. In other words, when you desire something, that is sort of an input from the universe within you that you want to create something. It's almost like a little GPS showing you where you want to go. Why not? Why not have fun with this? This journey is about having fun, experiencing life, and part of it is to have desires. Desires so you can fulfill them and experience that particular reality through that desire. So there is nothing wrong with actually having desires. The desires are given to you to guide you, to show you how to experience your life, right? Your original blueprint, your own journey. So when you actually listen to your calling, when you actually honor that desire and you play with it without the actual attachment to it, you are not going to really experience suffering. The suffering itself, in my opinion, is coming when you are attached to that desire. And you're so attached to that outcome that you are not able to enjoy that journey. And therefore you are suffering. But if you have that desire and you play with that and you are manifesting based on that desire, there's nothing wrong with it. You are enjoying your life, you are enjoying the journey, you are flowing through the life, and you're having fun. At the same time, you're having experience that is shaping you and is guiding you and is actually creating exactly what your soul needs to grow and go to the next level. So take a look at the desire as something achievable, but don't be attached to it. Play with it, have fun with it, but don't be attached to it. And this way, without the attachment, you will actually experience the purpose of this desire, which is to guide you and to bring you to where you need to go. So for example, if you want to multiply your income or you want to start your business and you are struggling financially, there's nothing wrong with actually wanting to make more money. There's nothing wrong with having the desire to live abundant life. There's nothing wrong with actually living in prosperity, abundance, and while creating wealth. Why? Because when you look at wealth and money and abundance as an energy that is actually supporting you, you will understand that the more support you have, the more you are able to help other people. Again, there is nothing spiritual with struggling, financially struggling, because while you are financially struggling in 3D reality, you are actually negatively impacting everyone around you. Not only with your energy, because your energy is toxic, because it's low, dense, it's the struggle within you, but also because you are not able to help other people and you are actually putting that toxic energy on other people. And so you're not really uplifting anybody. On the other hand, if you have that support, you have that energy, in other words, money is just stored energy, right? You can do things, you can shift things around, you can move things around, you can shape your reality in 3D, right? And not only that, you can help other people who are struggling, you can show them the way, and so on. So this way you are not only helping other people, but you're also uplifting other people. So again, it comes down to that law of circulation that I talk about in my book, Law is the Law, where I really believe that it's about receiving and giving and giving and receiving, which is like a beautiful cycle of energy that is like ongoing, cycling, if you will. And the purpose is to really like experience that flow of energy, right? And again, everything is about exchange of energy in the universe. So money is just a vehicle. It's a vehicle and it's a tool of exchange of energy in 3D reality. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. How do you perceive money? And do you feel guilty to actually wanting to make more money? And comment below, because I do want to hear from you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell. And thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.